Let's learn how to make this shadow effect in Photoshop. First, type your text here. The font which I am using, download link in description. Right click on layer, convert to smart object, press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate this layer. Select the bottom layer, press Ctrl plus T, right click, click flip vertical. Again right click, perspective, adjust this accordingly. Add layer mask, choose gradient. To make it more realistic, go to filter menu, blur, Gaussian blur. Apply this amount. To change the text, double click on text layer, type your text here. Close this document, click on yes. And that's it. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now and thanks for watching.